Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
The cost of one DOT would reach as especially high as 2097 by 2025, or so they truly thought. Our Polkadot especially long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends DOT possibly running somewhere in the range of $79.28 and $9,505, which for the most part is very critical. Polkadot cost gauge recommends a chance of DOT exchanging between. That really matters is exchanging at $0.43 in terms of its AST rate with the value change of 26% in most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely huge. DOT really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $11,948, 183.15 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,19,666, 9 or so they fundamentally thought. This in every way that really matters makes Polkadot DOT positioning at 12 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Polkadot cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Polkadot really be somewhat worth in 2024? Is Polkadot a kind of wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in a quite huge manner? Will DOT cost really outperform its untouched high, or so they by and large thought? These most certainly are our Polkadot cost expectations for DOT's future, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Polkadot DOT value expectation 2024 as per the Polkadot gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the DOT cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross a by and large normal value level of DOLV 2023, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Polkadot toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $11.89, exhibiting that the cost of one DOT would all things considered reach as exceptionally high as 2097 by 2025, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, DOT can basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $13.70 in an exceptionally significant manner. Polkadot DOT value expectation February 2024. The cost for Polkadot in February 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $8 and $9.09, which really is genuinely huge. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $8.84, which especially is very huge. DOT value gauge walk 2024. The Polkadot estimate for Walk 2024 expects that the DOT may sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $9.54 within in every practical sense, least cost of around $8.86, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the extremely normal value DOT can generally stretch around $9.19 for spring in opposition to mainstream thinking. Polkadot DOT value expectation April 2024. The cost for Polkadot in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $9.05 and $10, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.47, pretty further appearance how in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Polkadot cost expectation end of 2024, what will Polkadot by and large be certainly worth in 2024, which explicitly is genuinely critical. DOT value figure May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Polkadot basically is gauged to truly be at around an essentially least worth of $9.24 in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Polkadot value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $10.47 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $9.66 in USD, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Polkadot DOT value expectation June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Polkadot cost truly is estimate to sort of arrive at a kind of the most minimal cost of $9.71 in a genuinely large manner. The DOT cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a truly greatest cost of $10.95 with the typical expected cost around $10 or $10.05. Polkadot value expectation July 2024. Polkadot cost fundamentally is supposed to really reach between $9.93 to $11.35 in July 2024. While the especially normal cost of DOT for the July generally remains around $10.35 Polkadot value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Polkadot could generally stretch around $11.77 amazingly. Besides, the minimum cost of DOT in August 2024 really is 10.24 with a by and large normal cost of 10.66, which is very critical. Polkadot DOT value estimate September 2024. The Polkadot DOT cost for September 2024 may, for the most part, arrive at a genuinely least worth of 10.66, while the very greatest determined cost essentially is around $12.19 in an extremely significant manner. The truly normal cost for DOT is explicitly anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach $11.8 in September 2024 amazingly. Polkadot value figure October 2024. The sort of normal cost of Polkadot DOT could go to $11.53 toward the finish of October 2024 in a by and large significant manner. DOT could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $12.64 with a really least expected cost of $11.11 in an unobtrusive manner. Polkadot value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Polkadot essentially is supposed to sort of be at around at least $11.57, which generally is genuinely critical. Polkadot cost can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $13.10 with this for the most part normal cost of $11.99 in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Polkadot value expectation December 2024. Polkadot cost most certainly is supposed to reach between $11.89 to $13.70 in December 2024, while the kind of typical cost of DOT for the December truly remains around $12.23. Polkadot past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 359% in its extremely current worth, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the fundamentally current market cap of the DOT with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap, all things considered, is likewise down in an unobtrusive way. From most recent 7 days, the DOT generally was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.89%, exhibiting how discussing the sort of typical value DOT can stretch around 9.19 for spring in an exceptionally significant manner. Polkadot truly has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how DOT generally has a truly all-out market cap of $11.948, $183, $915 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $419, $666, $910 in a quite huge manner. Polkadot value conjecture 2024 facts. What will be Polkadot especially worth in 2024 in an especially significant manner? The DOT cost basically is determined to arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $13.70 with least cost of $11.89 toward the finish of 2024 in a truly significant manner. Does Polkadot have a future, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking? As far as value, Polkadot generally has an exceptional, especially potential to arrive at new levels in an extremely large manner, as a matter of fact. It in a real sense is gauged that DOT will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners,